What's going on, guys? So today I have a 7th gen 160 gigabyte iPod Classic here. The owner got into it already and they busted something off of the motherboard. I'm not exactly sure what, so let's open it up. Hang on a second. There's a name on the inside. I need to cover that up real quick. Just their first and last name. Okay, here we go. So just by taking off I actually removed their name down here, so yeah, that can be hidden. But upon opening this, I see what the issue is right away. It looks like the battery, the plastic part of the battery connector. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you guys. The battery connector broke off right there. Pull this guy out and show you. So, as long as the pins are still intact on the motherboard, you can actually just slip this back on. So, and from what I'm seeing here, looks like those pins are intact. Oops, sorry, my head hit the thing. Okay, so let's remove. Okay. So I am going to open it. Just like that. And then we are going to try to slip it back on. Actually, I might need better tweezers for this. My favorite pair busted. Actually, no, they didn't break. They got lost. All right. Here we go. Let me give it a shot. There we go. All right, let me bring this up and let me make sure I actually got it. Oh yeah. I would say that's on. Okay. Alrighty, so let's throw this thing back together and let's test it out real quick. So we'll put the hard drive back together. Don't know if they sent me a battery or not. I'm gonna say not. Let me grab one. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's get this up. Get this installed. Okay, back in. Cool. Close up the hard drive. Get this back in there. I seriously hate these little bumper things. They suck. I like the hard plastic ones a lot better. Alright. Oops. There we go. Battery. Alright. Let's throw it in and see if she works. Okay. Close the battery connector. What do we got? She fires up. And we got a red X. So that's probably most likely why they opened their iPod in the first place, but there's that. And that's how you put the battery connector back on the pins, as long as the pins were not ripped off the motherboard. So I'm going to check with this owner real quick and make sure there's nothing else that they wanted me to do. So I'll see you in just a sec. All right, I heard back from the owner, and they don't want to do anything further with it. They just want to send it back with the connector fix, and the battery. So we will call it good at that. Thanks for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.